welcome to the next episode where here we're gonna talk about the lead qualification as well as the deal conversion, full journey into CRM of the Behomes. Here we see our lead, right, where we could open it up and we could qualify into a steps, first call, second call. Once we qualify, we could go through, put it into not qualified. It throws to our archive files, you could see, or if I called it out and find it out that he's qualified lead and he's interested into an off plan, so I put him into qualified lead and the pop-up comes in. You can see that create a deal. So now our lead is no more a lead, it's into a deal. Now it requests to choose a funnel. So we choose, for example, off plan. We find out we have, for example, 2 million dirhams to invest into off plan. So we choose the off funnel and we go to the deal section. And from here on, we take it into the work with the lead, into the first, for example, contact, into a negotiation. Maybe we are already into a negotiation if it's in the step of negotiation, or it's maybe into the steps of the viewing a property. If it's required, if it's a secondary or off plan as well. So then it's into the stage of a proposal, which is also interesting, and you could put it into the last section. And remember, you could always open it up and leave the comments, move into the steps of inside of cart of a lead, into sections of deal one. And if you ended up into the sections of the steps of the deal one, congratulations, you have closed the deal with the Behomes CRM. So wish you all the best and luck into a real estate journey. Thanks.